Welcome to another quality Irvie Homes property where convenience and comfort are combined. Tingley Gardens consists of two one-bedroom apartments. The property, located in a desirable area close to downtown Albuquerque, offers direct access to the city's many facilities and tourist attractions, including restaurants, cafes, and a variety of shops. Both apartments feature spacious bedrooms with queen beds made for comfort and glass sliding doors for outside access. There's plenty of storage, and for the professional or student needing a workspace, there's a bonus desk and chair, complete with high-speed Wi-Fi. The galley kitchens are both fully equipped with all you need to create some welcoming home-cooked meals. The open-plan living areas both provide comfortable leather lounge chairs, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the several streaming options on the large smart TV. There's free parking with Unit A located on the ground level, offering accessible, secure parking. Upstairs, Unit B provides a beautiful view overlooking the Tingley Beach neighbourhood. Tingley Gardens provides the perfect home away from home for the professional student, or if you're simply here to relax and explore Albuquerque and enjoy the flavours of New Mexico. Book today here or on irviehomes.com.